In this video, we'll walk you through how to add and edit workflow steps in Process.st, a simple yet powerful tool for streamlining your business processes. If you're new to Process.st, stick around, because by the end of this guide, you'll be able to easily create and customize workflows to help you automate and track tasks more effectively. Before we dive in, if you're looking to get started with Process.st, I've got a special offer for you. You can use this software for completely free through the first link in the description below, plus you'll get some exclusive bonuses you won't find anywhere else. So, be sure to check that out after watching this video. Now, let's jump into adding and editing workflow steps in Process.st. When you first open the platform, you'll be taken to your dashboard. To create a new workflow, simply click the New Template button. Once you've created a template or chosen an existing one, you can start adding steps. Each step in Process.st is a task or action that you want to track. To add a new step, just click the Add Step button. You'll be prompted to give it a title and choose the type of step. Whether it's a simple text instruction, a checklist, or a form to fill out, there are various options available to fit your needs. You can even add a due date and assign responsibilities to specific team members. Once your step is created, you can go in and edit it by clicking the step title. This will open up an editing window where you can modify the details, adjust the assigned users, or even change the type of step if necessary. For example, if you initially added a checklist and later realize you need a more detailed form, you can easily switch to that. The flexibility here is key for adapting workflows as your processes evolve. You can also use tags to categorize steps, making it easier to search and filter through large workflows. For more complex workflows, try utilizing conditions to control when certain steps appear based on previous actions. This is where Process.st really shines, its ability to build workflows that adapt to the progress of the task at hand. Another great feature is subtasks. You can break down a step into smaller actions if necessary. This is perfect for tasks that require a sequence of actions to be completed. Plus, you can attach files or links to each step, giving your team everything they need right there in the workflow. Editing workflow steps doesn't stop at the content. You can also drag and drop steps to rearrange them. This makes organizing your workflow a breeze. And if you need to delete a step, just click the trash icon next to the step you no longer need. If you're working with a team, you can easily share templates and workflows with others. The collaborative nature of Process.st means everyone stays on the same page and no important tasks are overlooked. By now, you should have a solid understanding of how to add and edit workflow steps in Process.st and how the software can help streamline your tasks, saving you time and effort. Remember, Process.st is a robust tool with a variety of ways to customize your workflows to your business needs. If you're ready to take your workflow management to the next level, don't forget to grab your free trial through the first link in the description below. You'll also get access to our exclusive bonuses, which will help you maximize your use of the software. Thanks for watching. Make sure to hit the link below for your free trial and start using Process.st to optimize your business workflows today.